Now your problem is that you don't have money to pay for Invideo. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Invideo for free for the rest of your life. Okay, you are not going to subscribe to anything again. How to use it for free completely. Okay, so don't forget to share this video because a lot of people is going to benefit from it. Okay, and make sure that you watch from beginning to the end. Thank you. This is Play Store. Okay, now come to your Play Store and install Invideo. Okay, after installing this Invideo, then go back again and type this temp mail. Okay, install this one as well. Okay, after installing, click open. Okay, now this temp mail you are seeing here will give you more than 1 million virtual emails you can use to verify or sign up in any platform. Okay, so whenever you want to change, like this is the email they give us now, whenever you want to change, you click this, they will give you another one. Okay, so click copy to copy this particular email. Now go to your Invideo. Okay, go to your Invideo. Now when you come to your Invideo, don't use Google to sign up. Okay, now paste that email that you copied here and click create. Okay, now you see paste login code. They have Invideo have sent code to that our virtual mail. Now we go back to that virtual mail. Okay, now look at here. Now we receive a code. Do you see it? So this particular temp mail, you can use it to sign up in any platform if you don't want to use your personal Gmail account. Okay, now see the code here. Do you see it? This is the code. Okay, copy. Now watch this. I paste the code, create. Okay, bagam, we have Invideo. Now this is how to use this thing unlimited. You sign up with that virtual mail. You'll be using it to create your videos. Whenever you exhaust the coin they give you as a free version, you log out and sign up again with a new email. You understand? Whenever you exhaust that coin, go to temp mail, copy another mail again, sign up. This is how to do this, and I will advise you to put it on Invideo version 2 so that you be able to create multiple videos. Okay, so with temp mail you can create more than 100 Invideo accounts in a day. It's very simple. Now this is how to get a US or UK TikTok account that can be giving you money when you are posting your videos on it. Okay, come to your browser now and type 9log.me. Okay, here now you can get a UK or US or a YouTube channel account. Okay, just you click here to sign up. Okay, now to get TikTok, just click here. Okay, then you will see a lot of them inside here. Now after buying, just come here. Okay, immediately you pay, just come here, come to purchase here. Click details. When you click on these details, you will see what you paid for immediately. Okay, you will see it immediately. Just click there, you will see all the logins and video how to log in on it. Okay, don't forget to share this video.